Hello, welcome to Accessorize Your Life, where aging gracefully and accessorizing your life meet. I'm Julia. Today it's a quick video because I am switching out of my, I'll show it to you, everyday work bag into a little fun weekend bag. And I'm going to be switching into this beauty. As you saw from the introduction, you know I have the companion to it in the 19 size. But we will be carrying her today, and she's in that beautiful green. I forget the precise name of it, but isn't she lovely inside? I have the strap, and then you can carry it by this little handle, which is the top handle. She has 1, 2, 3, 4 compartments, and in the middle here I have a little thing that I might just put on her. What is this? I've never used it. It's the shooting star, I guess, or something like that. So I think I'm going to put this on the bag because I'm going to run out going to the beauty supply store. And so I think she would look cute there. Let me cut her off, the tag off rather, right here. Sorry for the noise. Lots of trucks. We live near a parkway, so we get lots of trucks. So let's reach into my work bag. I'm not going to change my little wallet out. This is a Coach little snap wallet. Since my sister is waiting for me, I'm just going to quickly throw that in here. I do not need my planner. That can stay home. I have a little makeup bag with a lot of little goodies in it that I've been carrying. I think that'll fit in the middle. Put that wallet right in here, and I have my car keys and this little Coach pouch that came as a trio with 2 other pouches that won't fit in here, I know. So this is going to go in the front along with the wallet. So the wallet is here, and the key pouch is here, and the makeup bag is here. What else do I need? Sunnies and glasses, right? And my phone. I think that would be enough for what I'm doing, and maybe some hand sanitizer. But I usually keep that on me anyway. But I'm going to clip it off my bag and stick it inside this handbag. So I'll stick my little hand sanitizer in there. And my glasses can go, I like them not to be banged up so much, so I'm going to put them in that zipper pocket that's right here. Right there. And then I will choose a pair of sunnies. Let me get those. Let's just go for this dark pair here. Of course, they're the key. These are the ones I'm going to wear. Yeah. I like those. So I'll stick these in there. I don't know if I have to change out the case for these. I think they'll go right on top. So there we have it. And my phone, here it is, my Samsung Galaxy 10, without the case, fits nicely in that back pocket. And since I'm going to be driving and I can talk to everybody via my car, I don't really need the case on it. And then if I have to speak to someone when I go out of the car, no biggie. So here's the strap on it. I'm wearing basically blue today, all blue as a matter of fact, but this bag will be what I throw around me. Really cute. Really wanted to bring you this quick video to let you see what I'm carrying this weekend. I've had her since the beginning of the pandemic, but I think it's time to pull her out. Alrighty, thank you for watching. Have a great day. Bye-bye.